Hello everyone, welcome back to my DT50 restoration videos. In the last episode we got the wheels done with the new rear sprocket and discs put on, and also discovered that the cylinder kit I had ordered for the bike was complete trash. We also painted the bike's exhaust and got a few other bits and bobs done. In this episode I'll be starting the frame build, getting the engine all built up and ready to be put back into the bike. So sit back, relax and just enjoy the video. Alright, so in my haste to start getting this frame assembled, I made a teeny mistake, and that was I forgot to put these fork protectors on. So now these forks have got to come back off, so I will do that right now. And they're on. Next I'm going to get handlebars on quickly. The engine needs to go on next so that I can put the rear swing arm on, and the reason is because the engine actually has a bracket on it which fills this gap here. A bolt comes through and ties it all in together. Alright, so these are the handlebars that came with the bike. I think I'm going to reuse these. I've got some new grips and stuff to go on them. I don't like this middle support section though, and to be honest I don't think we actually need it. I don't know. I'll try it without it and see what it looks like and see how stable they are, and we'll go from there. Awesome. So finally the new top end has arrived. This is the old one. This one's a slightly more decent kit. I've already opened it and had a quick look inside. So between these two cylinder heads, you can see which ones had some more work going into it. I mean, this is clearly machined. It's nice. It's a nice finish. It's nice and smooth. And so's this top edge here. It's all machined, this top face. And when you place it on top, you can feel it's solid. It sits. It doesn't wobble at all. It's great, and you can tell it's going to seal. Unlike this one, that's all just been kind of left cast, unmachined. And when you do put it, I don't know if you can see that, but when you do, you can see just like a huge gap, and it kind of basically just sort of wobbles around. So yeah, that wasn't going on the bike. So glad to be getting rid of that, and glad to be putting that on. Super happy with the quality of this kit. Looks great, and it's going to look good on the bike actually as well. In fact, it's kind of, the casting's like, I don't know, it's a little bit more silver and vibrant. It's probably going to go, the silver engine case is a little bit better, and yeah, it's all going to look shiny and new. Okay, so it's now time to finally put our engine together, but before we do, after further inspection, it felt like something was still missing. So after a quick look over some of the old diagrams I found, I managed to find out what it was. When I took off this cylinder head, I noticed something missing from here. What goes in here is the thermostat. It's quite important. It regulates the engine temperature. Now luckily I managed to find a new engine thermostat online, ordered it, and it came next day. Now I have my cylinder kit ready to go on here, finally. That's the new one. The first things first, we're going to get this engine side cover on first with the kickstand and assembly and internals in here. It's just going to make life a little bit easier, and then we'll get the top end on.
Sometimes I wish I was somebody else. I was somebody else. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing.
So that's just about it for this video. I am trying to keep these videos around the 10-minute mark or so. It just makes them so much easier to edit. I am still playing around with these videos. I wouldn't call myself a so-called content creator, so I'm just trying to find out what works best for me. At least we now have a built-up engine and a frame to finally put it back into. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.